Bentley Learn provides live and on-demand online training and personalised learning paths. When you look for the training, you'll see that you'll be given a number of different product lines. You then choose your product from that list, and from that you will then see a number of suggested learning paths. You choose your course from one of those learning paths, and then you'll be given a list of live and on-demand training which is available. You can then view your schedule for the live training. It will then show you a description of the course, any prerequisites, and you can then register straight away. With on-demand training, there are two types. The first are hands-on, which are step-by-step exercises that you work your way through at your own pace, and you can start and stop whenever it's convenient. The second type are lecture videos. These videos are now available on mobile devices, such as the iPad, so you can now do your training on the go. And again, you can start and stop these whenever you want. So you can see how easy it is to dip into Bentley Learn and start training straight away. As you can see, Bentley gives you suggested pathways of learning, but now you can personalize your training so you can tailor it so it fits your exact needs. So with every learning path, you have a personalized option. With this option here, this allows you to make a number of changes, such as giving a name to your learning path, and then putting in the contents. From that, you then are able to delete sets of courses from the suggested learning path, and then if you look at the individual live and on-demand training, again you can delete the parts that you don't want there. So if you just want the one live course as part of your learning path, then you just get rid of the rest, so you end up with the one that you want. The same sort of concept with the on-demand training as well. So you delete the parts that you don't want, but also if some of the courses are modularized, then you can also delete those individual modules that you don't want as well. So you can be quite granular in the way that you actually tailor your training. You can then add in other learning paths. So choose your product line, your product, type in a text search if you want, and then you'll be presented with the learning path that you require. So that will then be added to your personalized learning path. But again, you also have the ability to be able to tailor that part of your training as well. So you can choose the individual courses that you want. And from that, you can also choose the individual modules as well. So you can tailor your training from all available courses on Bentley Learn. But you can also add in your own content as well. As long as you have a web link that links to internal training, internal assessment, internal surveys, customized project information, customized product information, then you can include that within your learning path as well. So this means that your learning paths can now be a combination of both Bentley and internal company content. So once you've saved this learning path, this will now appear on your front page of Bentley Learn. So all you need to do now is just click on that learning path link, and there it is, your personalized training that suits just your individual needs right now. But it doesn't have to be just for you. You now have the ability to be able to share this learning path through email or all the different social networks. And finally, you can view a training transcript of all the Bentley training that you've done to be able to produce certificates and print them out for your professional development purposes. Training administrators also have the ability to produce training reports for the entire team. Bentley Learn training subscriptions, anywhere, anytime training for a more productive workforce.